Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to add collapsible product description section in Spotify in 2025. So guys, welcome back to the channel and let's get into this. How can you actually create or add a collapsible product description? It's a really easy tutorial, so I'm going to be showing you how to get started with adding your product from scratch and then moving on to adding the collapsible description. And let's get started. So this is basically the back end section of your website, where we have the default product. If you head into template, and then in collapsible content, you can have something like this. So this is my product, which I have already designed. And then you can find the collapsible content here. And once you click on it, it's basically going to look and function in this manner. As you can see, it looks like this. So let's switch over to mobile view so we can get a better glimpse of what it looks like as a collapsible content. So you can see product info, you can see shipping info. All of these are very interactable. By just simply clicking on the drop down, you can simply bring the collapsible content to life, just like this, especially with the collapsible content row set and activated. So I'm going to be showing you how you can simply get this done for yourself. So let's go ahead and open up Shopify. So you're on Shopify, you're looking to add a collapsible content to your first product. So this is my first product. So I'm just going to go ahead and let's see. I have given it a name and a price, cost per price, as well as the inventory. And we also have the shipping, the product weight, and things of that nature. So what I'll be doing is really simple. I'm just going to go ahead and create a new product and then show you how you can do the same for yourself, as well as add the collapsible content. All right, so go ahead and click on the products menu here and then simply click on add product. All right, and on here, go ahead and give it a title. So I'm just going to give it a very simple title, digital image, and then the description. And then for media, we can go ahead and upload the image. As you saw, I put in my description, it is a digital image. So it's a digital image we're going to be receiving. So let's go with this summertime t-shirt template. And let's just go with this. So once it's uploaded, you can see the category from Shopify has set us to digital artwork in digital goods and currency. So this is what I'm going with. And it has 5 meta fields, which have been automatically filled, and then you can now give it a price for production and then cost per item. So let's say it cost 4,000 of my local currency, and then the cost per item would be 10,000 of my local currency, which gives me a net profit of 6,000 of my local currency. I don't know why it's in negative. Charge tax on this product. You could remove the tax option. And yeah, so the product is ready. You could also add the product weight, you could add variants, and where we have category meta field like artwork types, file format, operating system, and software features. If you need any of these requirements to run my product, it would be entered. Now just simply scroll up and click on the save option. It's at the top of your screen here. So go ahead and click on save, and we would have successfully added a new product. So now how do you then go about creating collapsible menus and descriptions for your products? It's quite easy. After adding the digital image again, just simply head over to online store. So click on online store where we have sales channel, click on online store. And then on here, just go ahead and select themes. So click on themes. All right, so once the themes menu for your online store is opened, you might have to make a payment for access to remove the password for your website, but just go ahead and click on customize. What we're interested in is clicking on customize. So click on the customize option and you'll be taken to the back end of your website. So this is what the back end of your website would look like. Once it's fully loaded, you can see this is a live website. The live option is here. So let's get into it. All right, so with the web page fully loaded in, where we have homepage at the top of your screen, click on homepage and select products. So go into products and then go ahead and select the digital product you want to edit. So where we have default product, click on this. All right, guys. So once it's loaded and once you've selected your product, if you do not see your product on the first try, head over to preview and click on change. And when you click on change, you will now see the list of your products that you would like to work on. So I have selected this option, this product here. You can see it here. Now, in order to add the collapsible menu to it, all you need to do is where we have templates, go over and click on product information. So go ahead and click on this drop down. Just try to click on the drop down and avoid the extra settings. Just click on the drop down and it should let you access these blocks. So now where we have add section, go ahead and click on add section and then scroll till you find collapsible content. So it's quite easy to find. Click on collapsible content and it would be added to your product description. So now all you need to do for this collapsible content and the collapsible roles is for each role, you can easily edit them. You can change the logos or icons that are attached to them. So like the first role noun, we can simply give it simple heading. So you can simply change the heading into something else like and you would see it reflect in real time across the page. And then for the role content, what would actually be in the collapsible menu, you can now go ahead and look at this. You can now type in something. So when you click on this, you will find something like this in the collapsible content. Now you can do this for the rest of the roles, and any role you do not want or do not need, you can simply click on the remove block to simply remove the role entirely from your list of collapsible content. And as you can see, it reflects in real time as well. So you can do this for each and every role. Let me just simply show you how to edit the icons. So where we have icon, it's a check mark. Instead of this check mark, you can replace it with something like this, and it would look like this on their end. I do not think you can add colors. You could also use the generative text feature as well. You could use the link to insert a link to another page. You could add a bullet list. You could add a numbered list as well. You can just simply make this into your collapsible content. And that's how it would work when you're looking to add collapsible content to your store. So guys, you can do this for many products by simply clicking on the change option here and selecting the product you would like to add the collapsible content to. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.